So today I'll be showing you how to connect an Ethernet cable to your smartphone or to your mobile phone. Now you can do this in case you want to use wired internet directly from your router. And you can do this in case either Wi-Fi is acting up or it's not working on your phone, or maybe you just need the fast speed of a wired internet connection on your phone. So what you need is to be close to your router, and also you need to have a cable which can go from the phone to the router. Okay, so first things first, plug in one end of that Ethernet cable to the router. And you want to plug it into a LAN port. Okay, so the ports should be labeled LAN. You want to look for one of those that are labeled LAN, and you can connect your cable there. Now to connect this other end of the cable to the smartphone, we do need something called an Ethernet to Type-C adapter. Of course, assuming your phone is Type-C or has a Type-C connection, you're gonna need an Ethernet to Type-C adapter. Now there are plenty of adapters you can find on the internet. You can find them on Amazon and any other website. Now the one I'm going to use is this one. Now this is a multi-purpose adapter. You don't have to use this one in case you don't need anything else besides the Ethernet to Type-C adapter, but this one has multiple adapters. It can adapt anything, including Ethernet to Type-C. Okay, so I'm gonna connect this end, or rather the other end of my Ethernet cable to the adapter. I'm sure I can do this with one hand. There you go. There you go. So you can see this cable has one end in the router and the other end into the adapter. And since the adapter has a Type-C connector, I'll just go ahead and connect the Type-C connector from the adapter into the phone. Simple as that. Okay, now with that connected, you can see my Ethernet cable is here, so it should be connected now. Now to test if it works, let's go ahead and disable Wi-Fi. And with Wi-Fi disabled, let's see if we have internet connection. Okay, so I'm just gonna load up YouTube. And as you can see, YouTube seems to be working even though I have Wi-Fi disabled. Okay, let me go ahead and also turn off mobile data. So mobile data, here we are. So mobile data is disabled and Wi-Fi is disabled. Okay, just put the phone here for better visibility. And with mobile data and Wi-Fi disabled, the only internet I could have would be coming from the Ethernet cable. So let's see if that works. Let's play a video. Let's play this one. And as you can see, it works. Okay, so that's basically how to connect an Ethernet cable to your smartphone or to your mobile phone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.